The other issue, the state doesn't take a position on this. I just want the court to be aware as the person in charge of the courthouse as it relates to this case. Ms. Montoya came to the courthouse yesterday and was seen anointing a large amount of courthouse, the doorways, some of the objects in the hallway with an oil and the sign of the cross. Those crosses are visible at some points in the hallway. My staff saw her do it. We don't take a position on that, but.
Did she mark the building with a cross, or was she just?
No, the building, so the two entry doors here.
Yes.
Have oil cross marks on them.
Okay.
I know at least a member of staff noticed one of the benches in the hallway. I just felt that the court should be aware. We don't.
So, Judge, I will tell you this. I don't know if there's going to be some evidence that plays out in the next few days that could make it necessary for us to call Ms. Montoya to clarify something. But if the hypothetical, if the trial were to end today, our plan would not be to call Ms. Montoya. So 95% chance that we're not going to be calling Ms. Montoya back unless something changes through testimony or evidence that would make it necessary for us to call her.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what is going to happen with respect. So, if there's, my concern would be primarily if the jury saw her doing something like that, either in the building or in the courtyard outside of the building. They know who she is. She's already testified once before them, and both sides have reserved her for potential recall. So I'm not going to take any action. We've had people burn sage smudge sticks outside and ground corn mill. Things like that happen. But my concern is the impact it might have on the jury if they observe anything like that with respect to her testimony, which is outside of her activity outside of the courtroom that they may be able to observe.
Judge, is it okay, based on this, I could just have a conversation right now in private with Mr. Apodaca? Briefly, probably less than 5 minutes.
Yes, but he's not going to be talking to her anymore. So, if
May not be material, I understand what they got to do.
If you want to talk to him, that's fine. Let him talk in the back for a couple minutes.